Okay, let us continue our topic. So we are now on transformation reflection. Okay, so what is a reflection? So a reflection is a change represented by a flip of a figure or the image over a mirror, which usually is a line but may also be a point or a plane, which are called lines of symmetry, points of symmetry, or planes of symmetry, or literally the mirrors. So the keyword natin of reflection is to flip. Okay, let's proceed on reflection rules. So if the reflection over the x-axis, so if they reflect on the x-axis, so it means the x remain and y change. So get the opposite sign of the value of your y. So if the reflection over the y-axis, so the value of y not change or remain, and the value of x change or get the opposite side of your x. And if reflection over the line y is equal to x, so it means isa-swap lang natin yung x and y. If we swap x and y, it becomes y and x. So it means hindi magbabago yung sign ng x and y. So i-swap lang natin. So if y equal to negative x naman, or the reflection over the line y equal to negative x, so still the same pa rin. So i-swap din, but the sign also change. Okay, so just an example, reflection across the x-axis, y is equal to 0. So they reflect at across y is equal to 0. So now, so what is the first step? So first step is identify first the original coordinates. So let's start with vertex 1. So this one is our vertex 1, vertex 2, vertex 3, and vertex 4 or vector 1 or etc. hanggang vertex 4. So negative 3, so this one is negative 3 and positive 3. Ang vertex 2 naman natin, this one is nakatapat siya sa negative 3 and y niya is 6. So ang vertex 3 naman po niya is nakatapat po siya kay 2 and y niya po is 6. And vertex 4 is 6. Nakatapat siya kay 6 and y niya po is 1. So, okay, how to reflect across the x-axis y is equal to 0. So, since the line of reflection is horizontal, so horizontal po siya kay x-axis, so it means the x remain or the x coordinates stay exactly the same and the y change or multiplied by negative 1 or get the opposite sign of the value of y. So multiplied by negative 1. So like for example, so negative 3 and 3. So this one is negative 3 and 3. So keep negative 3 and the reflected point is negative 3 and negative 3. So since positive ito, magiging negative. So positive ito, magiging negative. Yung positive ito, so magiging negative, and positive ito, magiging negative. So it means keep the x and get the opposite sign of y. So now, the new image or the image now is looks like this one. Well, let's check. So this one is negative 3 and 3. So negative 3 and 6, 2 and negative 6, and 6 and negative 1. Okay, let's have another example. Reflection across the x is equal to negative 3. So this is our pre-image. So they across sa x, equal to negative 3. So this ones, it means dito sila mag-cross sa x. So what's the first step? So first step is identify first the original coordinates of the vertices or the vertex. So let's start with the vertex 1. So negative 7, 0. So this one, negative 7, 0. So x natin is negative 7 and y natin is 0. Vertex 2 is negative 4 and negative 2. So this one, vertex 3 is negative 1 and 1. Ito, negative 1 and 1. Then vertex 4 is negative 1 and positive 2. So kahit saan kayo pwede mag-umpisa. Pwede dito, pwede dito, dito. It depends on you. Still the same pa rin naman po yan. Okay, the second step is how to reflect across x equal to -3. So, ano yung magbabago o mag-change? So, x or yung y? Ano yung hindi magbabago o will remain? So, since it is across x -3, so it means yung x magbabago, yung y remain. So, paano? So, by using, since the line reflection is vertical, so x2 equal to -3, so the y coordinates stay exactly the same. So, it means the volume y is still the same. So, now, how to find or to get the value of x? So, since we'll use the formula which is xy, so yield to 2k minus xy. So the value of k is -3. So now, so let us start with -7, 0. Since our k is -3, so 2 times -3 minus and -7, that would be our value of x. So 2 times -3 is -6 minus and -1 is +1. So 1, 0 yung image. How about yung second vertex, -4 and -2? Same pa rin, -2 times -3 is -6 minus a -4 is -2, then keep -2. Another one is -1, -1. So -2 times -3 minus a -1 is -5 and keep -1. And the last is -1 and 2. So still the same. So it is -5 and 2. Tandaan ha. So kapag reflect across the x-axis, so the y remain or the y coordinates remain and the x change by using this formula. If they are cross sa given values of x. Okay, let us have another example, which is reflection across the x equal to -1. Why? What is the rule here? So, to reflect the shape across the line x equal to -y, which is the same as y equal to -x. So, it means we swap the x and y coordinates of each vertex and change their signs. So, yung sabihin, magbabago yung sign. Isa-swap natin, then papalitan natin yung sign niya. Kung positive, magiging negative. Yung negative, magiging positive. So, ibig sabihin, our reflection rule here is xy equal to -y and -x. So, first step, still the same. Apply the rule to each vertex. So, get first the original point. Like, for example, 3 and -1. So, 3 and -1 here. So, if we swap, the reflected point becomes +1 and -3. So how about another 5 and 4? So this one. So 5, it is 5 and 4, this vertex. So if we swap, so it becomes -4 and -5. So how about next vertex, which is 7 and -2? This one, 7 and -2. If we swap, it becomes +2 and -7. And the last vertex, which is 5 and -4. If we swap, it becomes +4 and -5. So then, plot this reflected point dito sa coordinate points. So 1 and -3 nasaan? Si 1 and -3. So nandito. So 4 and -5. -4 and -5 is here. 2 and -7. So 2 and -7 is here, and 4 and -5. So 4 and -5. So nandito. So then connect the line. So para mabuo natin yung image ng this figure. So that's it. So that would be our image. Okay, let's have another example. Reflection across the x is equal to y. The rule here is if they across the x equal to y, so it means simply swap the x and y coordinates of its vertex. Ibig sabihin, swap lang natin. So, the sign, yung sign po niya ay hindi po magbabago. Okay, so what is the reflection rule here? So xy yield to y, x. So sabihin, swap lang. Okay. Okay, by applying the rule to each vertex, so xy yield to y, x. So swap lang natin. So let us plot first or put first the original points. So 3 and -1. If we swap this one, so it becomes -1 and 3. So the sign hindi po magbabago. So remain lang. So second, 5, 4. So this one. So 5 and 4. So if we swap, it becomes 4 and 5. Next po is 7 and -2. So 7 and -2. Kapag swap natin, it becomes -2 and 7. So the last vertex is 5 and -4. So this one, 5 and -4. If we swap, that is -4 and +5. So after that, so yung reflected point natin, ilagay po natin sa Cartesian plane. So let's start with -1 and 3. So -1 and +3. So this one. So -1 and 3. Then 4, 5. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So nandito. Next is -2, 7. -2 hanggang sa taas. So -2, 7. And -4 and +5. -4 and +5. So nandito. Then connect lang natin yung that. So para mabuo natin yung image niya. So that would be our image. Okay, let's have another example. So the given is the pre-image and the image. So the question is, saan po siya across? Across siya sa y equal to 2. Bakit equal to 2? So dito sila na across. So 1 and 2. So they reflect at y is equal to. So what is our rule here? So kapag nag-reflect siya sa y, so it means yung x will not change or remain, then the y will change. So keep the x coordinate the same and change the y coordinate. So it is the same distance from the line but on the opposite side. So what is our reflection rule here? So since magbabago dito si y, so remain lang si x, then 2k minus y. So since the value of k natin is 2, so which means 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So it means our rule here is equal to x y equal to x 4 minus y. Why 4? Because 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Now, let us check kung tama po ang sagot natin. So, by using the reflection rule, so 4 minus y, so we have the point V, which is point V natin is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, which is -5 and 4. So at is lang po si x, which is -5. Since it 4 minus 4. Saan ang galing si 4? The value of y. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So ibig sabihin, our image now is our new image now or new coordinate points is -5 and 0. How about point J? Point J natin is -5 and 3. So -5 at is less than -5 or keep, then 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So then another point K is point K natin is 1, 2. So -2 and -1. So -2 at is lang siya remain, then 4 minus a -1 is 5. So check natin. Then the last is F. So F natin is 0, 3. 0 and 1, 2, and 3. 0, 3. So 0, keep 0. Then 4 minus 3 is 1. So 0, 1. Check natin yung tama. V natin is -5, 0. So -5, 0. Yan. So correct. -5, 1 yung J. -5, 1. Correct. -2 and 5. So -2, -2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. Then F is 0, 1. So 0 and 1, so correct. So ibig sabihin, our rule here is x and y. So yield to x remain, then 4 rather. So 4 minus y. Okay, that's it.